Hello guys, nice to see you. This is okgoodbuy.cn. Here is my information. If you have any question, you can contact me by click, WeChat or Skype. Also, you can check our website for more information. Today I will show you guys the authentic Air Jordan 4 lighting. First, you can see the tools in the box. Turn to the tools. The tools is yellow color, verification color. But first, I will show the box for you. You can see the box. The box is black color and with a Jordan logo. Okay, from here we can get you the information about these tools. You can see here. Okay, now open the box. The box have a card. You can see someone playing basketball. Here it says the kind. Okay, now and with a white paper. Now turn to the hot tools. This is checklist one. The tools is yellow color with a black color. Very beautiful. Here is a L and Japan brand. Now check this set. Very special design. You can see. And here is aroma. Very comfortable. You can see it's very smooth. Okay, now turn to the front. It's too strong. Too strong. Very special. Too strong. Feel flat. Japan. Now turn to another side. Very beautiful. Chocolate black. Chocolate black. The back also have a Japan, and here is very special design. Very nice. There look at Tristan. Tristan also have a Air Jordan logo. Okay, now check the install. The install is white color with a Japan. And from here we can get you the information about the product color. Now check the button. The button you can see gray color, deep gray color with the white. Also here have a Jordan logo. Now quickly check another one. Set. Front, another side, back, and the bottom. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this tools, just go to okgoodbuy.cn. Please remember our website okgoodbuy.cn. Thank you. Bye bye.